Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a UniWigs wig review. I have worked with UniWigs a few times in the past. They've sent me some synthetic wigs and a human hair wig to try. Today they have kindly sent me another human hair wig to show you. So I'm going to run through the specs first and then I'll obviously show you guys the wig. The specs for this wig is, this is called the Jennifer wig. It is a brown balayage Remy human hair lace front wig. The colour is described as a wooden caramel, but it's got like really nice blonde highlights through it. The length is 16 inches. The cap construction is a lace front with tracks in the back. Cap size is 22 inches, so that is actually considered like a medium cap size, and if you've watched any of my other videos you'll know I have a very small head. But I did try this wig on and it is fine. I just have to use the adjustable straps in the back. Density is 130%, and obviously because it's human hair you can do whatever you want with it. You can dye it, curl it, straighten it, whatever you want to do. The price of this wig is $1,099. Don't let that put you off if you're shopping on UniWigs because they always have codes. If I can get a code from them to give to you guys, I will pop it on the screen now or pop it in the description box. With that being said, I'm going to now show you guys the wig. So I've got the wig right here, and as you guys can see, it has got some really nice blonde highlights going through it. Now I will show you guys the parting. But I do want to say that UniWigs wigs don't tend to have like the bleached knots or the pre-plucked hairline. And although that to some people may be off-putting, they do still look really natural. However, because they don't have the pre-plucked hairline or the bleached knots, they actually last way longer. So I've noticed with wigs that have pre-plucked hairlines, bleached knots and everything, that you will notice balding around the like hairline after a while. So if that's something that you're not keen on, then definitely give UniWigs a go for a wig that you know is going to last a long time. So this is just a quick view of the cap construction for this wig. As I've said, there's tracks in the back and then lace front all around here. The lace does come back quite far as well, so you have got quite a lot of parting space. You've got the 3 combs in the back, the adjustable strap, and like I said, this is a 22-inch cap size, so when I'm putting it on, mine has to come to about here. Just to make sure that it's tight to my head, but you don't get any like bulkiness in the back. Okay, so I finally put it on my head. I feel like I've been talking for like 20 minutes and I haven't even put the wig on. But this is it, literally just like fresh out of the box. The lace hasn't even been cut. I've literally just popped it on. And as you can see, the colour is absolutely amazing. I personally love like these blonde highlights at the moment, and I just think that this looks really, really natural. So before I do anything to the wig, I'm just going to show you guys a close-up of the parting on my head as well, and then I'm going to cut the lace and maybe straighten it, although it is like 32 degrees outside right now, and I think if I turn my straighteners on, I'm literally going to be like a sweating mess. So I'll show you guys the hairline and then I'll try and style it a little bit. So as I've sort of mentioned, hairlines on UniWigs wigs are a little bit more like just straight, so you don't tend to get like that pre-plucked hairline. However, you won't get any balding around the front either, so it's kind of give and take. Whatever you would prefer in a wig, that's kind of what you need to opt for. The parting is always fixable with concealer, or if you wanted to go ahead and bleach them yourself, I've tried it in the past, it's not too difficult. I would describe the colour as kind of like a cold brown and like quite a cold blonde as opposed to warm. So like just for a comparison, this is my current wig, which as you can see it's kind of got like a warm reddy brown, and I'm hoping you guys can see the difference, where this is like a little bit more cool toned. Yeah, so what do you guys think? I actually really like the curl in this as well, which is another reason why I may not straighten it. Okay, so let's cut the lace and apply some concealer in the parting, and yeah, we'll go from there. The lace colour on this is really, really good because you can't even really see it on like my scalp. So for the parting, the thing that I like to use is the Revolution like stick foundation. I find that because it's solid, it's a lot easier to kind of like press into the little dots, and you'll just kind of like press it in. It will tend to get on the hair a little bit, but that's fine. You can just kind of go over that. I actually really like this wig. I feel like it's going to be my next sort of like wear around the house wig, just because it's so easy to like probably just throw up a half bun. Like, that would be really cute. Obviously I'd have to actually style it properly. I feel like this is such good, like, effortless hair. Like I said, I was going to straighten this, but I actually really like the curl, and to be honest with you, with this temperature right now, there's just no way I'm going to be able to straighten it. But I might do like a styling video with this one and see what I can kind of do with it. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this video. I didn't really want to go too much into detail with it. It's literally just like an unboxing and a try on. But I want to know what you guys think of the wig. So yeah, let me know if you like it, and if there's anything else you want to see me review, please let me know, because I'm always kind of looking for inspiration and ideas. And I think that is pretty much it for the video. I will see you guys on the next video. I just said video too many times. I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!